I'm Miya. Welcome to Autom Pack. We are the manufacturer with a professional R&D team. Today, I'm going to introduce you this small granule automatic vertical packaging machine behind me. The model number of this machine is ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. This machine can make multiple sealing bag types: pillow seal, three-side seal, four-side seal, cassette seal, pyramid seal. Optional equipment can be date coding device, nitrogen gas filling device, hole punching device, cassette device, continuous bag device. The packing range 5 to 500 grams products. The frame of this machine is stainless steel, which is durable and clean. All the contact foot part of this machine is 304 stainless steel, which meets the hygienic standard of full QS. This machine is suitable for packing peanuts, beans, granule candy, pet food, rice, sugar, corns, detergent powder, seeds, and other kind of solid granules. Look at this part. It is the film roll device. It is easy to install the film roll. We can use laminated film on this machine, like this color film or clear film. Look at here. It is the color mark sensor. It can track the color mark on the film automatically to make the bag length. It is the automatic ribbon coating machine. It can print production date, expire date, and the lot numbers. Let's take a look at the automatic cup filler. This cup filler can do automatic measurement and filling the granule products. We will design the volume of this cup specification according to product target weight. We have two types of volume cup device between large particles and fine particles. It is made of grade 304 stainless steel. It is the bag former, made of 304 stainless steel. The packaging film is pulled into this bag former by friction. The packaging is simple and beautiful with a humanized design. Different bag making equipment can be replaced to different bag widths. One machine can pack bags of various widths. Here is the vertical sealing device to seal this side. The horizontal sealing device to seal this side of the bag. Color mark accurate positioning system avoids the sticking braid and waste materials. Here is PLC touchscreen control system, convenient, quick, and easy to understand. The touchscreen can store the packaging process parameters of many different products. Also, it can be used at any time when changing products. Mechanical full display system can help troubleshooting and reduce manual operation. It is PID independent temperature control system. The left one is for vertical sealing device. Another one is for horizontal sealing device. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Here are the buttons on the machine: the emergency stop one and the main power button. Let's check the electrical box of the main packing machine. All component parts are well-known brand parts, which is durable and guaranteed. Let's run the machine to show you how it works. Just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching our video today. Bye!